This is Noor with American Airgunner. Thank you guys so much for watching. Today we're going to do something interesting. This has been a time-tested question. Can an air gun go up against a .22 long rifle? So we're going to do that just today with a couple of precision guns here. We have got the FX Impact M3 with an Athlon scope, Accutac bipod. We have got Armageddon gear bags, the works. We have got this in 25 caliber. And then we have the venerable CZ457 22 caliber. This thing is a beast. It's got the @1 Boyd stock on it. Also an Athlon scope. This is my base class NRL 22 rifle. Now that means that it's all in all under 1,200 bucks for the rifle and the scope combined. This is gonna be a lot more. But this is my airgun competition setup for NRL 22. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna pit them against each other at a 50-yard KYL target and then at a 100-yard hunting target. We're gonna see how they do. Take a look at this. This is a slug. This is a JSB knockout, and this is an SK Standard Plus 22 round. If you compare them together, they're very similar, but we're gonna see how they do. All right, first up, we've got the CZ457. Ooh, boy. All right. 50-yard KYL target. This is something that I picked up from Utah Airguns. It's a pretty slick little target, very adjustable. I like it a lot. So here we go. Hopefully my scopes are all sighted in and good. I hope they are. I've been messing with them a little bit, so, you know, get my excuses out of the way beforehand. Oh, I knocked it off. Oh well, I'll have to reset it. Okay, that was the 2-inch target. Now we're going for 1. Nailed it. We got another 1-incher. Nailed it. Half, I think this is 3/4 inch. Nailed it. And now we got the 1/2-inch target. The smallest of all. Boom! We got it. We got it. Okay. Oh, hey, that was fun. All right, now we got to do 100 yards. All right, here we go for 100. All right, we're going to do a body shot first, and then we're going to try for the head. We'll see. All right, so this is a 1.7 mil hold at 100 yards through my scopes. I shoot mil, and it works for me. So there we go. Nailed it. All right, headshot. Here we go. Yes! There we go, CZ457, Standard Plus SK ammo. That was awesome. All right, now it's time for the air gun. Here we go with the FX Impact M3. Let's do this. Got that one. Oh, we got wind. There we go. 3. This wind's gonna make these too tricky. Oh, got it. Last one. Ah! There it is. Okay, so I missed one of them there. My bad, my bad. All right, let's do the long distance. Okay, here we go, 100 yards. Body shot first, then we'll try for a headshot. We got wind, so, you know, we'll see. Boom. Nailed it. Okay, here we go for the headshot. Just over. Come on. I know I can do that. There it is. Awesome. Oh gosh. Woo! Okay, so you can see wind does make a difference when it comes to an air gun. There's going to be more variability. These are going about 200 feet per second slower than the 22 LR, and that's to be expected. Now you can crank these up. This is going about 920 feet per second. These are going around 1,100 feet per second. So you can adjust this in your air gun. You can tune it any way that you want. You can make it go faster, slower. My good buddy Chris Turek, the Up North Airgunner, who is also on the channel, does some amazing work showing that you can get an impact up to 22 LR speeds. That's not what I'm trying to do today. I'm just trying to show you that you can still get accuracy and compete. Now the wind is going to mess with you more, but you can still have the accuracy with an air gun compared to a 22 LR. That's pretty fun, guys. Let's just do, you know, one more just for the fun of it at that long range shot because I like to shoot long range. Boom. Oh, almost the same spot as the last shot too. That is fun. Hey, you can have fun with air guns. Thank you so much for watching. I'm the Dollar Sportsman. I'm on my own channel. I'm on all sorts of places. And right here at American Airgunner, where you can have fun with air guns. Check it out, AmericanAirgunner.com. See all of my fellow airgun buddies having a whole lot of fun on this channel. You can check me out too. I've got a bunch of other videos. And yeah, we're having a good time. Thanks for watching, guys.